Key Ski in this. Yeah. Killer Keys. $1 Billion Squad. Boy. Okay. Okay.
Exit made this.
OMG, I spit the check, so it's time to make a check back. With the meet the plug, told my homie I'ma check back. Riding in that foreign, I be smoking on that bomb.
Yeah.
I don't play. Me and my niggas stepping out, yeah we slay. On the bird, smoking on that herb every day. Swerving and we hanging out the rooftop, roof missing. Oh my God, roof missing. Came through cool whipping, too drippy, double cup juice sipping, windows tinted, riding with a few women, boss bitches, dripped in that new linen, bag gripping. I'm winning every new season. 150,000 my neck too freezy. Stay up on my business and stay up in your lane. I choose to keep it real. You capping for the fame, I make they head bob when they listen to this. Had to catch her head nod, now she licking my clit. Got a lot of drip on, you know I'm stunting this shit. I keep a lot of girls around, but I ain't cuffing the chick. Nah, whipping foreign something presidential Lamborghini truck, and she wanna fuck. Soon as I pull up, I'ma call her bluff. Hit it like I'm tough, made it out the mud, diamond in the rough. Started from the bottom, now we up. Come and show some love.
Mojo deals, we been trapping like She said the nigga soul, got cash out. Told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash. I won't never sell my soul, and I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at. Mojo deals, we been trapping like She said the nigga soul, got cash out. Told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash. I won't never sell my soul, and I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at.
My apologies, everyone, for the super long intro. I am currently working on my editing, and I will shorten things up, but I hope you enjoy the video. Peace, love, happiness, and abundance. All right, everyone, so this is the park. It's called Harrison Park, which is a very beautiful park. And this is the lake. I'm out here just walking with my family, and we having a good time. So you want to get outside and enjoy nature, okay? And what I'm saying is, basically, the thing that I realized that not just the mainstream media, families in our society, we are not talking about building the immune system, guys. This is where we're going wrong at. God made the immune system in the body to fight off bacteria and viruses, right? So in order to build your immune system up, what do? You don't just take vitamins. You eat fruits, raw whole fruits, and vegetables. And you take Juice Plus, not an isolated vitamin, Juice Plus, okay? That is the way you build your immune system. Exercise, breathe, meditate,
drink water, good water, alkaline water. Get out in the sun when the sun rises and sets, okay? Of course, you don't want to get out in the sun when it's at its peak, when there are certain harmful rays that can, you know, I guess damage you, I guess. But however, melanated people and other races without melanin are made for the sun. The sun makes trees grow, flowers grow. So why would it do that for trees but give a human cancer? Does that make any sense to you? Okay? So that's a false lie they told us so that we don't go out and get sun. Because sun gives you information. So when you eat oranges off of a tree, that tree was out soaking up sun. Oranges has vitamin C, sun has vitamin D, and that's not it. It actually activates your third eye, your spiritual eye, okay? And then you can get information. This is why Bill Schmakety Rakes, right, wants to block the sun, because he knows if they were to promote that, which they never would, they don't understand nature. They destroy nature everywhere they go. On the movie Pocahontas, what happened? On the movie Avatar, what happened? They brought their bulldozers in the forest and knocked their trees down because those blue people, which were really melanated people, they just made them blue, got their information. They were connected to nature and the trees, right? They get information and downloads. We don't understand that because we weren't taught that, so we look at that as weird. When I seen somebody melanated putting on sunscreen, I just wanted to like really throw up, because coconut oil will help you if you want to block the harmful rays from the sun. Coconut oil, not sunscreen. You know how many chemicals are in sunscreen? That's what gives you cancer. The sun cooks those chemicals into your skin. So your skin is the biggest organ of the body. And your skin, anything you put on your skin gets in your bloodstream in 5 seconds, period. I don't care if it's toothpaste, lotion, whatever you put on your skin goes straight to your bloodstream. So you're putting sunscreen on your skin and the sun is cooking it inside of your skin into your bloodstream. That's what causes cancer, not the sun. That's a lie they told us so that we don't go out and get sun. It activates your spiritual third eye. You get information from the sun. That's God. The sun gives life. Why would it make a tree grow and flowers grow? Why are we all happy when the sun comes out? When it's a sunny day, we be, yeah. We be riding. You know what I'm saying? Having a ball. So why would the sun do all of that but give cancer to humans? Do you see how that sounds? That comes from a European mindset. The European did that to us because they didn't want us to activate our spiritual selves. The sun will give you information. And now, the time that we're in, there's powerful energies coming onto this planet right now. That's why some people are losing their minds, because the energy that's coming. So like I said, guys, build your immune system up by getting sunlight, eating fruits and vegetables, take your Juice Plus, meditate, okay? Build your immunity. You know what? I never wear a mask, and I'm not bragging. I don't wear a mask unless they make me. I don't wear a mask when I go into the stores. I have never had COVID. So that's all, guys. I just wanted to give y'all a little bit of information. And just subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to talk more about this stuff. I got the research and I read books on this. And I lived it physically. I'm not just talking. So like, comment, share, subscribe, guys. I'm going to show y'all more. I got videos coming, traveling to Florida, to Africa, and being out in nature. So yeah, I'm here with my family, so we're enjoying ourselves. And that's it, y'all. I just wanted to drop a couple nuggets. So yeah, any questions, leave it in the comment section. The sun does not give you cancer. It's a lie. Peace and love, y'all.